Are you searching for the best smoke detector? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best smoke detector in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, New YUPA Smoke Detector Wireless. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 2, Earykong Wi-Fi Smoke Sensor Alarm. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price. But price may be changed at any time. Number 3, Staniot 10-year battery life smoke detector. 10 years battery life, TUVCEN 14604 certified, low battery warning, loud 85 dB buzzer, premium quality material, ABS, non-flammable, high temperature resistant, anti-insect design. The effective collocation with the alarm panel. This product is 433 MHz EV1527, used in conjunction with our alarm host, linked to the host alarm, can also be used alone. The host is disarmed, the smoke is automatically silenced.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4, 2-in-1 version Wi-Fi Tuya SmartCo Smoke Detector. This product is a smart carbon monoxide and smoke combo detector, adopting microprocessor control. The electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor is stable and reliable with low current consumption and small sensitivity drift, mainly well used in the place of carbon monoxide gas leakage in fireplace, while guarantee personal safety. It can work with Tuya or Smart Life app. You can check and receive the alarms through the app even you are far away from home. No need any gateway, just connect with house Wi-Fi. A perfect item for protecting your family from the dangers of co-poisoning in fire. New function, add Bluetooth module. Use the Bluetooth to machine. Make Wi-Fi connection to become more efficient. Number 5, built-in 10-year battery smoke detector Wi-Fi function. It can work with Tuya or Smart Life app. You can check and receive the alarms through the app even you are far away from home. No need any gateway, just connect with house Wi-Fi. It has a powerful 2,400 mAh lithium battery, CR123A. When you leave the house, don't worry about the device shutting down due to loss of battery power. Because its built-in lithium battery can make the device work normally for 10 years. Upgraded photoelectric sensor significantly increases the alarm's sensitivity for a faster response time and minimizing false alarms. You will receive a real-time notification on your smartphone whenever an alarm is triggered or any status is changed. You don't have to worry about missing an emergency even if you're not home. Making your life more convenient and safe. The newly upgraded built-in lithium battery is very powerful and can detect smoke normally within 10 years after installation and use. No need to replace the battery frequently.